To, had guys wanting to put kind of seed capital with me to go do some value add stuff. Some more flips and stuff. They need somebody to be able to do those and find the properties, which, doing deals, looking to build up the war chest and continually doing deals. And obviously a transition, it takes time to get people to those spots, man. We probably had a couple people show up and
He gave you the GM's card. I need to hit him up.
Dude, absolutely. That's what it's about, man. Just call them, see what's up, talk to someone else, just build a relationship, figure out how you $1,000 a month, month-to-month contract, and we just totally just support. So today we've got some meetings with some young hustlers. These meetings that Matt set up that could potentially try and learn the industry from us. They want to come and supposedly do some work for us and learn, and so we're meeting with a few of them today. Matt's got them set up for. We just did one that was not one of those meetings. We got one going on right now. Then we have our investor training, and we got a few more after that. Then Andrew and Osi are going to be here, and we're going to go tour the property that Matt and I put under contract yesterday. It's a duplex in downtown Round Rock. It's a really sweet deal. We're going to bring Andrew and Osi in on the deal with us, and hopefully we'll use this as our office for the brokerage. So we can go check that out. That'd be something good to record. Hopefully see the other unit. We were only able to get into one yesterday, but that's what we got going on today. Go. I think it works out for me. I take a risk. I'm a risk taker, but I'll take $100 grand, and I'm like, I'll give you a 20% yearly return, and or maybe 10, probably 10, 15, and then I get to make anything over that to keep. Yep. And I might go lend out $50K to someone else for like 25%, or I might buy a deal, or I might whatever. But like I believe in betting on myself, and I take that capital and go make more on it. Yeah. And when you start doing that and you get them the money back quick and they like you, it's like you can call them, hey, can I get 100K? Yeah. Boom. I'm like, that's the value right there. Hell yeah. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, no problem. Sorry I missed it. It's good to meet you.
Yeah, good to meet you, man. You'll see his name on a contract.
So. Yeah, for sure. All right, appreciate it, guys.
See you, man.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, have a good day. That's even hard that's not easy to do that.
What?
Your mind's just racing. That's high intensity for me. Meeting with 6 people
at the same time.
Yeah,
I hate it.
Yeah. I love it, but there's something, I don't know, there's something very intense about it. I feel the good vibes. I feel the people, the energy. Like these are seeds that are planted for 2 years from now that people don't. It's hard to understand, and I see it all coming together. And they want to be. I've already met with him a year ago. Now he's officially going to join as an agent, and he might do other stuff. And
what that was?
He was one of the young hustlers.
Technically, he was from the Young Hustler post.
So for the people that didn't see the Facebook post, explain what did you posted on Facebook?
Yeah, I posted calling all hustlers, something like that.
Yeah, because we're looking for an apprentice.
Yeah, we have so many ideas and things going on and aspects of our company that I just already know that we need a lot of people and we need a lot of good people. So it's planting those seeds, lines in the water, seeing who works out, and it's really cool because I can give them a lot of options. Like Miguel just came here, I'm like, hey, we could help you we could do a coaching program, you could be an agent, I can give you lists to cold call for vacant houses, high equity, I could give you lists of real estate agents to call. You can do whatever is most valuable for me and build it into a role, or you could just do whatever is most valuable for you. I actually really don't care, but we'll just help you. And I'm taking, I guess the risk is on my time and our time, but what he turns into could be really cool. And I think from that, he's definitely going to join as an agent. And the concept also is constantly just explaining what we do. So you have to stay in the front of people's mind. Hey, and y'all talked about the office a little bit?
Slightly.
Okay. Just so you know, like, if it's not in the best condition.
I'm excited to see it. It'll be cool. Good job on.
Matt's downplaying it. It's not that bad.
Okay.
The two concerns that I have are the foundation and possibly the roof. And those are two pretty big concerns.
Those are big.
Yeah, it's not that bad. There's just two minor potentials.
But it's not like there's holes in the walls and you walk in and it smells. It's nothing like that.
Well, dude, like Scott said, owner finance is the deal. That's why there's a deal. That's why this is so great.
Right.
2, we have a commercially zoned property in downtown Round Rock.
Yeah.
My new goal, dude, is I want to freaking attack downtown Round Rock. Dude, there's so much opportunity there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I want to, like I said, I want to detail it all out, spreadsheet, and send every single house. It's not that big. Every single house in downtown Round Rock a mailer every month. That's one strategy. We've got 3 of the guys on our team in the back office. Hopefully cold calling. They all set this up to come here. We had some meetings inside, and I was like, hey, you guys want to go out to the office out back? You can go cold call together. So they jetted out there pretty quick, and we're going to go see what they're doing, what they got going on. So she got stuck with them for the whole day. Oh, my bad. Dude, chill. We got to be quiet. We might walk into the middle of a cold call.
Right? But if you were actually able to get this done for you, take care of all the closing costs, there's no real estate commission fees, we buy completely as is.
That's awesome. They're both on phone calls. I love it. That is really cool. And like just getting people around it, being part of it, pushing each other, getting better, helping each other out. That's the goal. And so this is kind of a cool story, but I was walking my son to school yesterday morning, and on the way, and I'm downtown Round Rock area, on the way back, it was a for sale by owner sign in the front of the yard. And I called the guy. 30 minutes later, Alex was over at the house with me. We were meeting him. It's a duplex. It's zone commercial, and it's downtown Round Rock. So that's going to be our new office space. We're going to be closing on that in like 19 or 20 days. And so everyone's going to be welcome to come and work either there or at my house, however we kind of structure this out. But that's the goal.
You good with taking your car? We can. So we're going to check out the duplex that we got under contract, hopefully see the other unit. We got Andrew and Osi with us. We're going to show them the property, and I got to provide a credit report to the seller. So we're just going to go touch base with them, give them this, show the property, and see you guys there.
All right.
Do you have capris on?
So
Hell yeah, I do.
Here,
Damn!
you want to start recording?
Damn! Look at those little legs.
All right, so here's some of my initial concerns. If y'all want to look, I mean, look at that roof.
Just look at it.
Do y'all see the waves?
Cowabunga, dude. It's like we're at the beach, bro.
This right here has caused some leaking in the past that they've had to fix, and it doesn't look like it's fixed currently. And just from an outside perspective, I don't know if that's caused by the foundation, but the fact that it's not level concerns me a little bit.
For concern.
When you walk inside, you're going to notice that the foundation definitely needs some work. Something's off. It's not level when you're walking in there. It's kind of at a slant. So this is the vacant side. And as you can see, so this side is slightly larger. How are you? This is Andrew and this is Osi.
How y'all doing?
Good. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
So this is the 3 1.5, correct?
Yes, 3 1.5.
All right.
Where's the message that's still?
So here's one. I guess this would probably be the master. It also connects to the other room. See? Kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
The other half bath. And then the last office or room.
What do you think?
So I mean, we like it.
Hey guys! Whoa, big gulps, huh? All right. Well, see you later.
Get out of here.
What's going on, guys? So, if y'all want to, let's go. Let's take a left up here. I'll show y'all another property that he's got.
Thanks, bud. You get it.
So what'd you guys think?
It's a doozy.
It was hard to think because like the ground seemed to be moving.
Yeah, I didn't want to do too much talking in there due to the fact that he literally had to take a left here.
Okay.
He literally has the ability to cancel the contract if he feels that I'm not credit worthy.
Oh yeah.
And solely based on that. So we could have been talking about something and he could
Not like it and be like, nah, I don't want to sell these guys.
Right. So I didn't want to talk a whole lot while we were in there.
Okay.
But he's got another property that we could probably do the same thing to up here. We're not going to talk addresses on the camera. What's up, Mr. Teifke? You're on camera.
Probably needs light bulbs and all sorts of things fixed on a regular basis.
What's going on?
He's like, I'm tired of
Driving
this.
with it all the time, yeah.
Cool. Well, we got, I mean, you don't have to decide right now. It's, we have time. We can leave it open until, it's a couple days before closing. And
let us know a little bit beforehand. That way I need to know if I have to pull some money together.
Okay.
For sure.
yeah. As soon as you can, obviously, yeah.
Got it.
What were you going to say, Andrew?
I was just gonna say, I'll think about it and talk to Charlie and
Cool.
pray about it. And
Dude, I need some food
yeah, me too.
and some solitude.
Some sort of substance.
With just food, and I just need to be in a room by myself for a little bit.
Yeah. Decompress.
Yeah. Finally got some beautiful rain. Feels good. It's not 100 degrees out, but we just had a little powwow, you could say. Andrew, OC, Matt, and I. We're actually going to go speak in person to talk further about this duplex, if they want to come in on this deal with us or not. But it's pretty interesting. We've had a really busy day. A lot of meetings, a lot of people coming in and out. Matt just got back to the home office a few minutes ago, so we're gonna go meet him there and again discuss moving forward together, all four of us on this duplex. But yeah, man, then got some other stuff to do the rest of the day. Like I said, it's been pretty busy, so I haven't been able to get a lot done on the computer like I would have liked to. So I'm gonna be doing that this afternoon. It's Friday. That means it's pizza day. That means I get to be Dave Portnoy. One bite, everybody knows the rules.
One bite, everybody knows the rules.
It's actually turned out to be a beautiful afternoon. I love the rain. So hope you guys are having a good week so far, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if there's anything we can do for you guys. Again, all we're trying to do is add value. We'll have some exciting stuff for you next week. Make sure you reach out to us if you need anything. But other than that, we'll see you next Friday.